This year, like the last 30-plus years, we continued to deliver consistency and precision. In a single year, more than 70 ERW tube mill lines were delivered and commissioned for our customers across China and overseas markets. Our services reached manufacturers in 30-plus countries, with machine deliveries completed in 10-plus countries, reinforcing our ability to support global production at scale, from Asia to the Americas, Europe to the Middle East, and deep into Africa. Production kept moving forward. 2025 also marked new ground. Bulgaria, Albania, Fiji, 3 new markets, 1 consistent engineering standard. Because reach matters, but only when backed by reliability. This year also marked a technical milestone for direct forming technology, DFT. DFT mill speeds advanced to 100 meters per minute, setting a new benchmark for high-efficiency direct forming, where precision, stability, and consistency at speed matter most. This progress reflects focused engineering advancement within DFT systems, alongside the proven high-speed performance of conventional mills already established in the industry. We also commissioned a major milestone, the ERW 660x18 hybrid tube mill, combining DFT precision with flexible forming to meet the demands of next-generation manufacturing. Every line delivered carried the same promise: higher performance where it counts, tighter tolerances, smarter systems, and reliability that continues long after installation. 2025 was about continuing to build trust that lasts forever.